And there you have it, guys. There's the brakes and wheels done for the Veilside RX-7. If you're wondering what I painted these in, this is the Green Stuff World Chrome. It's just as easy as hosing it directly onto the part, preferably over a gloss black base or a gloss dark blue base. But I sprayed these straight onto the resin, and as you can see, they give a really nice chrome effect. Not having to go through the process of the alclods or anything else like that. As you saw, we did polish up the rims a little bit. So as you can see there, we put the parts on and then used a cutting disc wheel to clamp the actual rotor down. That's one of the benefits of having the photo etch rotor discs, as well as having the brake rotor separate from the caliper itself, so you can actually get all that space in between here to properly clamp it down and actually get that pattern going on. And then we've got the little satin area in the middle where the the brake pad hasn't touched, so it kind of gives it a little bit more of a realistic effect. Same thing on here. You can see there's just that little bit of a gap between the main hub of the rotor and where the brake pads have been in contact, with a little bit of a streak detail. And this is a technique I got from the Scale Moto World, and it just works really well. And then when these go on the model, it's simply going to be a matter of getting them onto the wheel, clamping that down. And then as you can see, there's a little notch in the hub adapters here that's going to sit right where the that little tab for the calipers is. So not only does it make a really good grab for alligator clips to hold on to and paint it separately, but it also acts as the guide when the whole assembly is put together. So that's it for this episode, guys. Hope you enjoy watching. If you like this sort of method of showing you all the pretty cinematic stuff first and then doing a talk through after, let me know. The next video, we're going to be taking a look at our body. So you can see here I've already glossed it. I've still got a little bit of polishing to do, but we're going to be working on the chassis and getting everything attached, so we can start on the finer kind of details of this beautiful body. If you're wondering, this is not the House of Color Sunset Orange. This is actually Epic Orange. It's like a Ford paint, which I found was almost an exact color match for it. It's got a little bit of a tint and a pearl tint to it in certain lights, so it kind of matches it, but I believe is about as close as you can get without having to order 120 in Canadian dollars, would probably be about $250 small tin or can of House of Color paints. And then the black here is just Mr. Surfer 1500. So yeah, this is gonna look actually, you know what, it'll have a little sneak peek as to how this looks. And those fit up into the wheel wells if it fits. If I can get it to fit. Yeah, there we go. Actually, this is the rear wheel hub. My mistake. Let's get a rear wheel. And there you go. That's what these look like kind of fit it up there so it fits the scheme of the real car, or the hero car at least, from Tokyo Drift. And that's how you get some, you know, worn looking brake calipers to go along with it. So thanks again for watching, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next video.